even know where to start. What is up, Alfaro fam? We are getting ready to go to Mexico. I'm super excited. We go every year for our anniversary to do some packing, and then we're gonna head to the airport, show you guys our room, so make sure you stay tuned. Now, the big problem is I am delusional enough to think that 2 people for a week can fit into a carry-on. We'll see how this one goes because I do have a lot more stuff and a lot bulkier things like dresses. I'm trying to get all this packed into a 20-inch carry-on while my toddler is sleeping. Let's see if I can do it. And also, welcome. I know that you guys are used to my old YouTube name, but I did change my YouTube name to Follow the Alfaros, which I think is super cute and catchy. And besides, I post us anyway, so it just makes more sense, right? Let me know in the comments if you like my new YouTube name. Let's start packing. I'm not gonna lie to you, these packing cubes have saved our life so many times. This is my toddler's 12th flight, and we've always packed into a carry-on thanks to these packing cubes. And they're literally just from Amazon. I'm actually gonna get a new pair soon because these are probably worn out. I don't even know where to start. Okay, I split these into 2 areas. This is my area, this is my daughter's area. Let's just take it apart and reconstruct it, I guess. Honestly, who put me in charge of this, because I don't feel qualified for this. Okay, this is gonna be the challenging part. I can actually scoop all this stuff up. Oh my gosh. Please fit. Okay, I usually try not to expand it because I feel like it'll give it less compacting. Oh my gosh, guys, I think we're gonna do it. Or am I gonna break it? How do they make these so durable? Okay, here's mine. Dang, she thick. She is a little heavy. Oh, she actually did expand a little bit. Let me close this. Okay, maybe it's not gonna close. Okay, it's not gonna close. Okay, whatever. In here, I do have my swimming stuff left, but I'm gonna just lay it flat underneath this in my carry-on. So onto my daughter stuff. Somebody needs to remix that into like a reggaeton. I feel like it'll be a big hit.
And then I want my money.
I'm gonna zip this up a little bit, give it some structure so I can kind of stuff it in here. Is it just me, or do you guys like matching your kids too? I know, some may say it's cringe, but I do enjoy it. I will say the military taught me a few things. That included rolling your clothes to pack it. Alright, let's get this unclosed, which I'm fairly confident because it's not as thick as mine. She got little people clothes. Love. My toddler's awake. Now we need to get this inside the carry-on. Hopefully praying on my knees that this is gonna fit in there because I try to travel light, especially when we travel. Okay, we use a 20-inch carry-on by Samsonite. She's that girl. And she's hard shell. So there's no moisture, no bed bugs, no live bugs, no any bugs, no smell getting attached to this. That's what I like. Girl, I thought this was a bug. Okay. These little shorts go under her dress. She's literally had these for years, so I'm praying that these actually fit her while we're there. But if you know, you know. It's hard to get kids to try on anything if they're not wearing it for the day. So I'm not gonna fight her, I'm just gonna pack it. I'm gonna put my bathing suit on her side because she just has so much space. Okay, now my girl. So far we still have a lot of space in my daughter's side. I'm gonna put shoes there and our hygiene bag. And so now we're gonna pack like this. You. Shoes. More shoes. My undergarments. Here. Look at that. This is a week worth of stuff for 2 people, y'all. 2 people. We all. Okay, now the big test is seeing if this actually is gonna close, you guys. Pray for me. Let's say quick prayer. Amen. Okay. Good morning, fam Alfaros. It is currently 4:30. I don't know if you guys can see that upside down, but our car is packed and we are ready to go. And yes, I still have stuff on my face. Decided to break out last minute, whatever. But the family is packed. Edwin went ahead and packed the car. So we are going to head to the airport. See you there.